Hello, Mom's Gang. Today we're gonna cook spicy and easy to cook chicken Manchurian with my mom's recipe. So let's get started. And here are the list of ingredients that we're gonna use for this recipe. To make this delicious Chinese chicken Manchurian, it is really important to marinate first. So take 200 grams of boneless chicken and add 1 egg. And now add like 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Onto this add like 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So once we add all of this, you can mix it or you can mix it later, but I like to mix it. So mix it well and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And now we're gonna add like 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So once this is added, you're gonna mix it all together. So mix all of this and keep it aside until we get the oil heated up on a pan. So the next step is gonna be like we'll take a hot pan and add like 200 ml of oil and let it heat for like 350 to 375 Fahrenheit. So once the oil comes to the boiling temperature of 350 to 375 degree Fahrenheit, let's drop off the marinated chicken. So here I'm dropping off all the chicken. I divided into 2 batches. So the first batch is going here, and so add like half of the marinated chicken first and then fry it the rest of the half so that the pan is not overcrowded. So once this is fried until like it turns into golden color, let's separate this into a bowl. So now on a hot wok, I'm adding like 2 tablespoons of oil and added chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Onto that add like 3 to 4 chopped green chilies and stir fry it for like 30 seconds. And add all the onion petals. So it's gonna taste well when you have the onions as a petals. Then let's add the red bell pepper or any bell pepper that you would love to, and stir fry it for 1 minute until it turns little bit brown, and so that this gets cooked fast. And now I'm gonna add like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. I love spices, so I love to add chili sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now stir fry it for like 30 seconds. And let's add the cornstarch. For this, mix like some 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water and add it and cook it for like 1 minute. So for any of the Chinese dishes, it is really important to have the wok really hot. So now we're gonna add the fried chicken. So once we add all this fried chicken, so on a high heat or a high flame, mix this well for like 2 minutes until all the sauces gets absorbed by the chicken. So here I'm not adding any water extra because I love to have little bit dry. But if you want it to be little bit having gravy to it, so add some water. It's gonna give you that gravy kind of look. But here I didn't add water because I love to have a dry chicken Manchurian. So yeah, this is it. So it's really simple. So you can see it can be made in like less than 15 minutes. If you are like hungry and would love to have some Chinese dish, then here you have like chicken Manchurian, which is ready to serve. So yeah, that's it guys, and I hope you liked the video, and please do share and also subscribe to the channel. We need your support, and also do follow us on Instagram on this account, and do let us know in the comment section below what you like about this video, and also love your moms because moms are always the best. Meet you with another recipe. Bye.